Alrighty, I am back with another one. This is Nate's top stock picks. Going on to next week, obviously we got the holiday coming up and the market will be closed. So Monday, be on the lookout for these. Again, and I gotta repeat again, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Investing carries risk. Past performance does not indicate of future results. Always do your own research. It is not intended, it should not be considered as financial investment, legal, or tax advice. I am not trying to sell you anything. Well, alrighty. So, the first stock that I want you guys to take a look at is RobinHood. We all know RobinHood. Ticker symbol HOOD, Hood. We all know Robinhood. I've been using Robinhood. I started with Fidelity, and then I switched to Robinhood simply because the interface is so much easier to use. For those who don't know what Robinhood is a financial service platform which engages in the provision of retail brokerage and offers trading in the U.S. listed stocks and exchange traded funds, related options, cryptocurrency trading, as well as cash management, which includes debit card service. Now, what's also cool about Robinhood is they now have the prediction market. So that's big. So for those people who like to use, all those betting apps, such as like a FanDuel or an ESPN bet, you can now place bets on Robinhood, and you can place bets on sports, politics, crypto, elections, and entertainment, and so much more. I personally been using it as of late for slight sports betting. And the cool thing about it, it could be under $1. You can go place a 30-cent bet. Obviously that's a low bet, so the chance of winning that is kind of slim, but you never know. It's sports, so that's big for me. I think that's going to really grow Robinhood within the next year, maybe the next 2 years. Robinhood will be top tier, and it's so much I could say. I think it's you all look into it yourself, and I think Robinhood's definitely a big one. Okay, so today it's up 11% today, sitting at $128.24. It opened at $121.33. The 52-week low is $29.66. It went from $29.66 to the 52-week high of $153.86. That's a huge jump. So think about that. It went from $29.66 to $153.86. And they just added predictions. So, you got to really think that's about to completely change that platform. I personally believe in 2026, Robinhood, it will be Robinhood's year. And I think it'll be a $200 stock. And at the low end, $185. But I could see Robinhood exceeding that. So definitely look at Robinhood. It's there. It's there. So everyone go out and take a look. I wouldn't say go purchase. That's not my job to see. You do your own research. But I hold Robinhood. Yeah. Second stock for the day is Symbotic, and it's ticker symbol SYM. Again, a Symbotic. And they're an automation tech company that engages in robotics and automation-based product movement tech platform. Let me see. It focuses on developing, commercializing, and deploying innovative end-to-end technology solutions for supply chain operations. It operates through the United States and Canada. All right. So Symbotic is up today 13%, sitting at $87.35. It opened today at $78.93. Today was the high of $87.88, which is actually the 52-week high. It reached its 52-week high today, and its 52 weeks low was at $16.32. This stock has went from $16.32 to $87.88. Now, it has had some volatility, but I still see this stock growing a bit more. I personally could see it getting up to about $90. But I think it'll have this months where it's up, then it's down. It's up and it's down. So again, at your own risk. But I plan on buying a share of Symbotic. So with that information, again, do as you please. And also, this is just an add-on right here. Those are my two stocks. Again, those two stocks are RobinHood, ticker symbol HOOD. The second one is Symbotic, ticker symbol SYM. And this is big because we've been seeing how the cryptocurrency market has been. It's been down big time. I mean, you had Bitcoin that was at like a high of 125,000, drop down to 80,000. XRP is up. Bitcoin is up. Ethereum is up. So if you don't have crypto, again, something to look into. I wouldn't say to go put your money in there, but I'm definitely putting my money in there because I think that cryptocurrency is about to skyrocket like it did years ago and like it's been doing over the past couple of years. But I think we're about to hit that another stream again where it's going to just streak up times two. I don't want to put too much on it, but I think Bitcoin to get back to where it was at 125,000. I can see XRP getting up to about $5. I can see Ethereum getting closer to the $4,000 range. So again, do your own research. This is my second time doing this. It's getting easier for me. It's going to be, I'm getting used to setting up a camera. I'm new to investing, and I just want to show new investors just like myself that what I'm learning, you all can do what you want. You again, you do your own research, of course, but I want to show you what I'm doing and the stocks I'm looking at and who I'm looking at on YouTube who's, providing me with this information, because I don't want to be that guy who, I made it by myself and I wasn't able to put anybody else on. I want to be able to put everybody else on who's willing to learn. So with that, I'm out of here. Peace.